StoreShed is a company where we private label manufacture, so we take people's recipes and concepts and turn them into real life products for them to either sell locally or independently or into multinational and to some extent international retailers. Looking at doing some research, discovering the OKI 1050 and working on the basis that we could produce that label on really short runs. We then followed that up with additional OKI printers and the support from HD labels, which has allowed us to discover the different types of paper material, working with them on machinery and cutting to allow us to do anything up to SRA 3 bespoke packaging, which means we could group 2 or 3 bottles together and create gift pack concepts, which has allowed us with some of our brands, but also importantly our customers, to very quickly have a live physical product in their hands. The whole idea of having a company that supply us, and it's something that we look for strongly, and HD did that. A, they were really responsive to our first inquiry. B, they really do know what they're talking about. Even their engineers, when they came to install the first machine, as he left, we'd ordered a second. The OKI 1050, the reason that got us excited is because of the ability that it's CMYK and white, but the fact that it applies white first and not the other way around meant that we knew that we would be able to print on different materials other than white, which to some extent with some of the products and the way that we play around with various ideas here was a necessity. And then during that install, the engineer was sort of like, oh, you know, if you're going to go with something larger, you have the same capabilities, but for doing sort of cards, gift packaging, and to some extent, you know, larger format, we went with the OKI 9542. So we've got the same capabilities on printing on stickers, on rolls, and then also within the large format, which means we can create, you know, gift boxes and concepts around perhaps on-pack neck tags and all those sorts of things for bottles. Both of our printers are paired with plotters. They're both Gemini plotters. One is built in to allow us to run the labels through and do die cuts, and the second one allows us to cut and crease for producing the boxes and gift packs and tie-ons to them. Really quick, do exactly what we want to. And I feel now like I'm selling it and I know as much as they do, because, you know, it's done exactly what we wanted it to.